I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today's vocal warmups and exercises are to help build young voices in a fun and pedagogically appropriate way. I hope you'll also check out my mobile app, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, which is now out for all platforms. It includes a whole bunch of vocal warmups and exercises, including 4 different warm-up playlists just for young voices. I appreciate your support of my work. Let's get started by thinking about the alignment of our bodies. Sit or stand in a way that feels balanced. Sway to one side and then the other, and then back to the middle. Lean forward and then back, and then find the balanced place in the middle. We want to be tall but relaxed. Bring your shoulders up towards your ears, and let's drop them with a dramatic sigh. One more time. Longer sigh this time. Now put a hand on your belly and allow the middle of your body to relax. Breathe in slowly and repeat after me. He, 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 he. Ha, ha, ha. Hoo, hoo, hoo. He, he, ha, ho, hoo. Now say ma 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 ma. Go ma 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 ma. We're going to sing on that sound on this pattern. Ma 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 ma. Go ahead and slide and have a lot of fun on that last part. Here we go. Ma 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 ma. Now we're going to sing on a very energized zoom, 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 za, like zoom, 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 za. Here we go. Zoom, 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 za. 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 Nice job. Let's spend some time on diction, and we're going to sing Mommy Made Me Mash My M&Ms, like Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Here we go. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. 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 Now let's do an exercise that uses a few solfege syllables. We'll sing on do, re, mi. If you know the hand signs, you can do that while we do the exercises. I'll do it once slowly and then at tempo. We're going to sing do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, do, do. Try it once. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. So the do, re, mi happens 4 times before we make the octave jump. We'll do it a little bit faster though and sing it at this speed. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. I'm leaving a little bit of space between low do and high do so that we can sing those very clearly. Here we go. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, do. Nicely done. Say ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Let's really detach those. So ba, ba, ba. Go. Ba, ba, ba. Now we'll take that same detached sound and sing on ba, 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 ba. Here we go. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Keep it light now. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Let's do some sirens and glides together. Go ahead and follow the sounds that I make. Finally, we're going to sing like a very pretentious pirate that sings opera. We are going to sing on yo ho ho like yo ho 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 and be very proud pirates. Here we go. Yo ho 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 ho. 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 Yo ho 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 ho.
Nice job. I hope you're feeling warmed up and ready for more singing. I'll see you next time.